Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to place a max bid on eBay. So firstly, open eBay application on your device and then search for the item you're looking for using the searching bar that is located at the top of your screen. And for example, I want to purchase headphones. And the first thing that you want to do is set a filter, and so that there will be displayed all the items that are on auction. So tap this filter icon, and here you see in the buying format section you need to choose auction and click show results. And here you see all the items that you can bid on. So for example, I want to purchase these headphones. Scroll down and press this button, place bid. Okay, so I have the problem that this specific item cannot be shipped to my country. So for example, I just need to find the product that can be shipped. Oh yeah, press the button place a bid, and in this window you need to enter the maximum bid, and that means the highest amount that you're willing to pay. I don't know, for example, $20, and press review bid button. And here you need to review your bid. You need to pay attention to your shipping cost. So since it's international shipping for me to my country, I have to pay for shipping $33. So pay attention to shipping cost too. And in the end, when you have reviewed your bid and everything is okay, press confirm bid button to submit your maximum bid. eBay will automatically increase your bid if it's necessary up to your maximum to ensure you stay the highest bidder until the auction ends. So that's how you can place a maximum bid on eBay. I hope this video helped you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon, bye bye.